Hi, I'm Bonnie with WTI, and these are my Easy USA Ballerina flats. They're velvet, they're black. So what I want to tell you about them today is how much I love the sweet and reminiscence of the 70s. I like them best because I can wear them with a dress. They go well with pants, capri, shorts, even a bathing suit. They're just lovely. And when you're heading out to the gym, convenient, pretty easy. Just throw them in the bag and go. Furthermore, they're machine washable. So they're clean every time I put them on, which is a really good feeling. And they remind me of the 70s, and I loved them then, and I love them now. And that's my point of view.